Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing devices. Confirm your TV either has the YouTube app or supports casting. Plug the TV into power and connect it to your home Wi-Fi. Make sure the phone or PC joins the same network so they can discover each other. Sign in to Google on the device you'll control and enable two-factor auth if you use it. This avoids later sign-in loops. Once done, open the YouTube app on TV or the YouTube website on your computer to begin pairing. Now you'll connect the controller to the TV. If the TV app shows a pairing code, tap your profile on your phone or desktop YouTube, choose Settings or Watch on TV, and enter the code. This pairs devices securely. If casting, tap the cast icon in the YouTube app and choose your TV name. Casting streams from your device to the TV. Alternatively, connect a laptop or streaming stick with an HDMI cable and switch the TV input. This bypasses pairing and sends the display directly. You're at the finish line. Pick a video on your phone or TV app and press play. Once streaming, control playback, volume, and subtitles either with the TV remote or the YouTube app. If the app won't load or pairing fails, make sure both devices run the latest updates, then reboot the TV and your router. Network restart often fixes discovery issues. If problems persist, sign out and back into Google or use an HDMI cable or streaming stick as a reliable fallback option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.